Okay guys, welcome to Ma311 OL7. So this is fully online class, so we do not meet on a weekly basis. So first of all, I want to give you an overview of our Blackboard course. I post an announcement, a quick announcement here, introduce myself and then my email address. So during the semester, if you have any questions, you can email me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Also, we click on Syllabus and Textbook. So the textbook is written by one of my colleagues, so you don't have to pay for the textbook. And the PDF file of the textbook is being attached. So you can look into that. Okay. And also in terms of syllabus, let's go over the syllabus really quickly. It's Ma311 fully online, section OL7. My email address here, textbook is by my colleague, Renee. So you must read the textbook to complete the coursework successfully. I also recorded lecture videos and PowerPoint. So combine both, you should be able to understand the contents thoroughly and then do the homework, complete written project. So the grade distribution is homework's worth 25%, written project number 1 is worth 25%, number 2, 25%, number 3 is also 25%. And for all the homework, in order to get credit for the homework, you must submit it via the Blackboard. Make sure it's clearly marked, either clearly printed. You must also show all work for homework assignment to receive credit. You must scan a homework assignment as either a PDF file or Microsoft Word file or Excel file. Either one of those to be, right? No other format is allowed. For the written project, all 3 written projects, you must show all work to receive credit. You must scan written project extra PDF file, Word file, Excel file, no other format is allowed. Also, you need either a scientific calculator or Excel to complete the homework. And you should not use your cell phone as a calculator. The course schedule is listed. So after the first 4 weeks, and on a weekly basis, you read a section from the textbook to complete exercise on a weekly basis. And after that, on week 5, which is March 4th, 2022, you're going to submit a written project number 1 together with the homework from section 1.1 to 1.3. And also week 6 all the way to week 10, you're going to focus on chapter 3, complete the homework assignments from the textbook, and then submit a written project number 2, and also homework from section 3.1 to 3.4 on Friday, April 8th, 2022. And also the last 4 weeks, you're going to spend on the chapter 4, probability, expected value, probability, Bayes theorem, and then complete homework assignments, complete written project, and then homework assignment from section 4.1 to 4.2 is due on May 13th, 2022. And just one more thing I want to mention is in terms of the plagiarism, so you cannot share your work from homework and written projects with any of your fellow classmates, right? That's not allowed. Get caught copying other people's work, and you get 0 on that particular homework or written assignment. Okay. So this is the syllabus, and also course guide, right? I also create a course guide or course schedule. If you open it, you're going to see that on week 1, you're going to go through the syllabus, go to the course guide, review the PowerPoint videos from section 1.1 to 1.5, read the textbook from 1.1 to 1.5. And you also have the assignment, complete exercise from section 1.1 to 1.5. You can look it up in the syllabus. Okay. All right, and then let me show you how to where to find the exercise. Right, it's in the textbook. So once you open the textbook, then you open the textbook. And if you scroll down, scroll down to each section here. Let's say after section 1.2, you start a homework assignment. Okay, so no, actually starting on 1.3, you start to have a homework assignment. So you scroll to the back of this. So you're gonna, this is exercise 1.3. So you have to complete all the problems here, okay, from the textbook. And 1.4, similarly, read through the textbook and exercises right here, right? Same thing for 1.5. So you can find all the exercise in the textbook. Okay, here, inside here. All right. So again, should definitely read through the textbook. Everything's in the textbook. And textbook is embedded, you won't miss it. And also I record all the lecture videos. So chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4 videos are available here together with the PowerPoint. So basically you can open the PowerPoint first, go over that. Let me show you one of the PowerPoint. Go over that before you start watching the lecture video. That'll be more helpful. So you get some idea about the contents first, and after that, listen to my explanation. That probably help you better learning the content. So this is one of the PowerPoint slides. And then I do have a lecture video recording. It's a YouTube video. You can click on it, and I look into the contagions, all of these different topics in 1.2. Okay. All right. So this is about the lecture videos. So each section has a lecture video. So go over them thoroughly. That will help you a lot. In terms of completing the homework and the written project, I'm going to go to here under the homework and written project submission. So again, this is not available yet, right? So this will be available on March 4th. So the first written project homework from section 1.1 to 2.3 will be available March 4th, 2022 at 1 a.m. And then you can open the PDF file of the written project, right? And then work on it, complete it, and scan it as a PDF file or Word file, Excel file, and submit it here. And also, while you're submitting a written project number 1, you also submit a homework from section 1.3 to 2.3, which is due on March 4th, right? 1.1 to 2.3 due on March 4th. And click on this, scroll down a little bit, and then you can browse local files, attach both files, and submit it. I'll grade it, and then you see your grade from written project number 1, also the homework from project number 1. And these are the important parts of final course grade, so you should carefully go over those and complete them accordingly. And this is due on March 4th, 11:59 p.m. Right, so you have full day completed written project number 1. Okay. And same thing for written project number 2 and number 3. It will be available. Written project number 2 will be available on April 8th at 1 a.m. And written project number 3 will be available on May 13th at 1 a.m. Right, so you won't be able to find this submission site yet, right? It's not available yet. So you have to wait until March 4th, April 8th, and May 13th before you can work on them. And that's pretty much everything. And then you can check the grade. Okay, so once you submit your written project, I will grade it shortly. You have to check your grade and then progresses right here. And again, feel free to email me any question or course or any general questions. I hope you enjoyed the semester. That concludes the overview of our Blackboard course.